So for those who don't have account, if you open a Zoom application, you can able to see on the left corner there's a setting tab. If you tap on setting tab, it will direct you to the Zoom setting and other things. So you just have to go on meetings, then on audio. Every time you switch on or you join a meeting, it must automatically join its audio. So on this off, we click on Wi-Fi or cellular, it will automatically connect with audio. Then you mute your microphone upon entry. This will allow you to mute your microphone in case where you are there is noise, it won't sound, it will automatically mute your microphone. Then you can also turn off your video whenever you join a meeting, the video will be turned off. Then you also have to enable this picture, you preview picture in picture motion. This one will enable you to minimize the meeting in a simple window so that you can able to enjoy the meetings and enjoy doing other things. Then the last one I'm going to show you is to enable the show my connected time. This will allow you to see the time which you've spent on a particular meeting. So I just love auto copying. You can click on the bottom right, you find more, then you can navigate the meetings tab. This is where you can able to set up your Zoom